Our liver performs several functions that are fundamental to our bodies. This organ is in charge of several of our body's functions, including its ability to purify blood, facilitate the digestion of fats, and boost metabolic activity. However, due to bad eating habits and constant exposure to environmental toxins, your health could be in danger, causing these tasks to be performed at a lower capacity. So it's increasingly important to adopt a detoxification plan that aids your body in eliminating all of the residue that alter its main functions. In this video, we are going to teach you how to make an incredible organic drink that will naturally detoxify your liver, helping your body to function better. This drink can also help you lose weight. Ingredients: 2 fresh kale leaves, 1 handful of fresh mint leaves, 1 piece of ginger that is about 2 centimeters long, 2 apples, peeled if they aren't organic, the juice from 2 lemons or Palestinian sweet limes, freshly squeezed, 300 milliliters of water. Instructions: cut the apples, kale, and ginger into small pieces. Next, put them in the blender along with 1 cup of water. Blend well. Then add the mint, lemon, or Palestinian sweet lime juice and the rest of the water. Blend again and serve. You should drink this incredible drink once a day, preferably on an empty stomach. Another important thing to remember is that you should drink it right after preparing it. Drink it for 30 days and maintain a healthy diet, avoiding fatty foods and excessive alcohol consumption.